Everyday dude doing stuff.
So now here we are. Not had this final bath. We're gonna tape it off and paint it. And this tank is 20 years old. Alright, so the seals are no good. We're going to reseal it. We're going to restore it. 75-gallon Reef tank for $100 with the stand. We're going to find out what we can do with it. Alright, so now we got this stand. We're going to work on it a little bit. Once we get the stand, rough down in there right now. Dust it off. Just give it a little sanding. Not really sanding, but just knocking the dirt and all the crud off of the thing. Then we're gonna hit it with some of this hammered finish we got. Hold it right there. And we're gonna see how this step goes. So we got one coat on there. You can kind of see, you don't really try to cover it all with the first dusting. Got the edge work looking pretty good. Oh, there go the compressor. Starting to tack pretty good. Not gonna waste a bunch of paint on the inside, but looks good so far on the outside. We're gonna finish that up with another coat. After this coat tacks completely. So we're running out of daylight on the outside, on the inside now. We got everything set, and black paint looks good on the back side. I picked up my new bulkhead today. But everything looks pretty good. I got a good bead of silicone all the way around. The black looks real good in the back. Can't see it from here, but that looks good. Get it set up. See how that looks. Just use some Rust-Oleum for the back. So as soon as we get the stand cured out and painted well, then we will move it inside. Can't see that, it's dark now. We'll move it inside and get it all ready for plumbing, and then ready for cycling with the live rock and the aquascape that we're coming up with.